My name is Jeanette from the Internet Department of Park Auto Mall, and I have here Rebecca, one of our happy customers, and she is leaving today with a 2008 Chevy Cobalt. So Rebecca, how did you hear about us?
Actually, I drive by all the time. You guys are very visual.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. And where did you travel from today?
I've been all over St. Petersburg, all over, so.
Okay. And how was your car buying experience here at Park Auto Mall?
I'm very happy here. I actually came from a not so good experience and had 48 hours to locate a car.
Okay.
And came in here on Saturday, and by Tuesday I had a car that I'm very happy with, my two-door Chevy Cobalt. And I'm very happy with the fact that they pushed through and got financing available for me at a very low rate and even kept my payment underneath my budget. So I'm a happy camper.
Well, that's great. And what makes us so different from all of the rest of those dealerships out there?
Let's see, not being pushy, courteous, friendly, a softer approach. I was very impressed with the professionalism and the gentleness.
Okay. Just a few words from one of our satisfied customers here at Park Auto Mall, where dreams come true. And thank you so much, Rebecca.
You're welcome, Jeanette. Thank you.